Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and today we're going to talk about AMZY because I still hold AMZY. Didn't sell. Longer term plan. I may one day sell if we start hitting above $200, but until then, letting it ride. Rolling back in. So that is my plan. Just throw it out. If I ever did sell, it's above $200. So they did two call spreads. I'm going to show the chart real quick. Talk about the call spreads. What was disappointing about the call spreads, personal opinion, it closed on Friday night at 188.82. So why do you write a call spread at 187.50 and then take the next strike up at 195? So you wrote the call in the money to do the spread. Okay, then they did another spread at 192.50 and 197.50, but it didn't make sense. Why would you do it in the money, especially the week of earnings? Don't get it. But hey, it is what it is. I'll ride it out. You know, let's just hope it goes through. But as of this morning, it was below the strike. So hey, so far so good. So that's my personal opinion about the strikes. We'll just let it go. Earnings is this week. So on Thursday, they are calling for $1.13.8. We'll see how it works out for them. Never know. You could hit earnings and it shoots right up through. Never can tell. In news, I reported that they were having labor issues. Somebody kept on saying, no, everything's just fine. Well, it appears that the Teamsters are following unfair labor practices against Amazon. Can't make it up. It's right there. It's getting reported. There are other labor disputes in other countries with Amazon in labor. But there's going to be always disputes in labor. It's just people being people. So I take it with a grain of salt. One interesting news fact that came out today was the agreement of setting up a data center for the operations so they don't have to rely on the grid right next to a nuclear power plant. I like nuclear power plants. So let's set up that right next to a nuclear power plant. Now you don't have to worry about the grid or anything else. That's good news. Read a Seeking Alpha article this week, today. They point out two significant things. They point out the operational margin going up. I like it. You can read the article yourself. I'll put the link down below. Operating margin going up. Always nice to see that. Other one they pointed out, and this is, again, information that comes to me by reading these articles. Amazon is not doing buybacks. They're investing in their company. So if we compare them against Microsoft, Meta, Google, Apple, NVIDIA, everybody else seems to be buying back billions of dollars worth of shares, which makes their stock price go up. Amazon is not buying back any shares. Interesting concept. Just thought I'd throw it out for conversational points. Would you want them to be buying back shares? Or are you okay with them not buying back shares and investing back into the company? They have something to invest back into. They're building out a bunch of new stuff. So it's going to be interesting in the future because Amazon continues to grow. That's why I hold it. And I bought it at a right price. And we'll see how this plays out. Until next time. God bless.